What's going on, guys? Coming to you today with another tool review. Big shout out to TACKLIFE for partnering with us on this new tool that has come out. This is the T20 impact wrench. We really appreciate them sponsoring this video, sending this out to us. First thing we'll do is we'll take it out of the box here. I'll set the box off to the side. Right off the bat, typical of TACKLIFE, comes in a nice case. You've got the TACKLIFE logo on the case. You spin it around, it's got the information as far as what's on the case, and latches here. So we'll go ahead and dive into this thing. We'll get it opened up. Right off the bat, we've got the user manual for the impact wrench, and it looks like there's a small screw down in here as well. Digging in, obviously, we've got the tool. This thing feels pretty hefty. I like the way it feels. Push forward, reverse button right here at your fingertips. Rubber grip on the handle. That's going to help out. If you've ever used an impact gun, that rubber grip kind of helps take some of the shock off of your hand. We've got variable strength down here at the bottom. Popping out first off, let's see. We've got the TACKLIFE 20 volt 4.0 amp hour lithium battery. That's pretty slick. Most of the tools don't come with a 4.0 lithium battery. They come with a 2. It's usually about as big as it gets. It also includes a charger, which is actually a charging station that the battery sits into. This reminds me of high-end tools like the yellow ones and the blue ones and things of that nature. TACKLIFE really steps up their game on these tools. They are competing with the big guns, hands down, no questions asked, as far as the quality of the tool and what you get in the package for the price. Now, I've already had this out once, and I charged this battery up. You got a battery indicator on the front of the battery here. We can hit it, shows you that it is fully charged. A double check in there. This is a wall charger, so it's not chargeable in the car or something to that extent. But the battery, the charger, the tool, and it comes with impact sockets. Key thing here, you got an 11/16, you've got a 3/4, a 13/16, and a 7/8. Now, what makes this unique is the fact that it comes with these 4 sockets, which are pretty much going to be consistent with most of the manufacturer's lug nut size on tires. And that's one of the things that comes to my mind when I see this tool, is thinking about somebody who's on the side of the road, has this in their go kit in the back of the vehicle. They can simply pull it out, figure out which lug nut fits the tire that they've got to take off that's flat on the side of the road, and they can just simply pop this on there. And if you're a little bit weaker, maybe you got some back problems, a little bit older, something to that extent, and you can't get that lug wrench and break those things loose, this is going to speed that process up and make it a lot easier on you and a lot safer, because at the end of the day, the less time you spend on the side of the road, the safer you're going to be. It also includes a belt clip here that would actually attach onto here with that screw that's provided in the kit, and you can hang it onto your belt if you want to. Now, if you were using this on the job, that would be great. Only disadvantage I see to that is that when we have this in the case and we put this belt clip on there, the case won't close. So you couldn't leave this on. You would have to take it off, but it does have a little storage tray there where you could take it on and off. You could put the screw in there and leave it in. Now we lock this on, boom. You got a little light here that's going to help you out at night, be able to see what you're working with. Again, like I said, you've got adjustable power settings down here, ranges from 1, 2 to 3, which would be full strength, and forward and reverse. So you can take the lug nuts on, off. You can use this for other things. Around the farm, around the house, anything where you're going to need a 1/2-inch drive impact gun, this is going to work out for you, and it's just going to make jobs that much easier. Now, saying that, we can talk a big game about how this tool works sitting here at the bench, but we really need to take it out in the field. So come on out here and let's see if we can take a tire off with it and see how it performs. All right, guys, so we are out here in the yard, and I figured what better way to test this than to try to take this rusty old trailer wheel off. Now, we've got some new tires for this thing. These are dry rotted. The one in the back's already been replaced because it blew out. We've got more tires for this old trailer. We're going to get it restored and back going. So what I'm going to do is grab the impact tool here, put the battery on, which I charged up. It's fully charged. And we need the 13/16 socket that comes with the kit. And what we'll do is we'll set it on reverse, and we're just going to see if it will actually indeed take these rusty lug nuts off. Spun it like butter. Look at there. And there it is. That worked great. You know, you can look and you can see how rusty this thing is. So, you know, these were on there. When we done the other one, I had to use a 4-way and I had to stand on it to break them loose. Honestly thought we were going to break the studs off in the process. So I'm really stoked. I like this little tool. There you go, guys. So we just spun that tire off of the trailer. We're back in here at the bench now. I have to say this tool performed really well. We spun those 5 lug nuts off. We're still showing full battery power. I think this 4.0 amp hour battery is going to hold up really well. If you want to use this on day-to-day operations as far as working, I'm not sure. A step up in the game would be 2 batteries for this kit, one charging while you're working and then swap them out. But for everyday household use and to keep in the car all in one compact case, you can't go wrong with this TACKLIFE tool. TACKLIFE makes some really good tools. We're a fan of them. I use a lot of them in my everyday work. So I can definitely recommend this one based on the performance that I've seen from it thus far and knowing the history of TACKLIFE. But guys, listen, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Stick with us. We're going to be coming to you with more videos. And again, we really appreciate TACKLIFE for sponsoring this video. And we'll be coming to you with more videos in the future. So be sure, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, drop comments or questions down below. Thanks for watching.